Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Dom. I'm just here for another tutorial. I still doing one because I got some new stuff, or 3 new lip whips from Beauty Bakerie. Beauty Bakerie. So I'll be using them. Don't mind my background here. My room is still a little bit of a mess. Got it cleaned up better, but we still working on it a little bit. I'm taking a little break right now. So I'm gonna do a cute eye look for Valentine's Day. Cute eye, full face look for Valentine's Day, using one of the lip whips because they don't come off when you make out. I know from personal experience. And using this brand new, so beautiful Amrezy palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. So gorgeous. The others are so dope. I'm planning a tutorial as well on this one. So just stay tuned.
So now we're going to get started. I already primed my face and did my eyebrows. So I'm going to do my eyes first. I'm doing a bold eye look. I am using my concealer to put that all over my eye area. As such, I like to go under my eyebrow first and get that defined and go down the eye area. I leave every single spot, as you can see here. Every single spot. Trying not to miss anything, doing my best. Other eye now. Gotta have concealer for that. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, buddy, yep, fill it all in. Make sure you don't miss nothing, girls. Get all them spots, especially in the lid of your eye. If you don't have big eyelids, I salute you. I'm jealous of you because mine are huge eyelids, basic cover there. I have a big head in general, as you can see. Okay, I think I got it all. Did I get it all? I guess I got it all now. Okay, no, I guess not. See, there we go. So now I look like a monster, but it's gonna be okay because we're gonna blend it out. Blend it out so it's not quite as bold. So you want the powder to sit on top of it. Yeah, just blend it out. We're gonna fix that later. I'm not too worried about it. Blend it out with that blending brush or blending bubble. I heard they're called, but yeah, the blender. You see me there, I'm blending it out. Yep, that's done now. Gotta set it though. Remember, this is a very important key. So like your eye, this is important so that your eyeshadow will stay on your eyes. I don't get much for eye primer that much, but I like to prime like this is how I prime my eyes. So this works really well for me. Do it works best for you. Eye primer just works for you. This is Beauty Bakerie Flower Setting Powder in Oat. I look hella ghosty right now, but that's okay. But now we're done setting our eyes. And it's now time to do the next step. Now it's time to start those eyes. We're using the beautiful Amrezy palette in collaboration with Anastasia Beverly Hills. First color we use is Reezy. It's called Reezy. Sorry. You put that across above the crease and like on your eye area as such. It's our first transition shade.
Make sure it's all bold. That's our first transition color.
There we go. Add that in there, get that real good. Try to make sure they're even. I love this pink. It's so feminine and so bright. It makes me happy. And then we're going to use our next color that's going to be Femme. And then we're going to use Yugo. Okay? So watch out. Here's Senza. up into the crease. As finished. There we go. My favorite part of the day. Getting my whole eyelid covered with color. Makes me happy. I'm just a painting. I need to just made it into a masterpiece. I love this part. Just don't want to do this, so I scratched it a little bit there. So yeah, still making that in there. So pretty so far. Okay. And now we're gonna do highlight. Yeah, I like to do my highlight next. I don't know, kind of weird like that. It's called Anastasia. That color is so beautiful. I'm gonna put that under in my inner quarters and underneath my brow bone. As you can tell, I like my brow to pop. So see that there. And that brush is a Morphe highlighter brush, I believe from Morphe Jaclyn Hill line of brushes. Love this brush. Look at that smooth execution. It's just fantastic. And I should try to make those corners even. I'll try my best. Go there. And now I'm going to line it because I need to make some sort of like, I don't have the steadiest hands, you guys, so I need to make a clear place where I'm going to put glitter. So it's very glittery, very pink, very femme. It's a dope look, but there's no line in my eye with the Wonder Woman liner from Rimmel. I love this liner, it goes on so smoothly. So much I need to say about that. And so now I believe I'm taking my liner brush. Again, I have prettiest hands, so I like to get my liner brush and put on my NYX glitter primer to keep my glitter on. The house of my glitter on. So I'm going to keep it on my lid and just go to the crease. I don't want to go above my crease too much. Well, not really at all. I'm going to get there a little bit just because no face hands, but I'm doing the best I can. And so I'm just going to put the NYX glitter primer on my big old eyeballs. Big eyeballs there. And I believe now we're shooting for a packer brush. And my little glitters palette from Hipdot. So I put the palette from Hipdot on my eyes, and I've already done my foundation. Now I'm about to conceal my face. I have a dark concealer to hide my flaws, and a light one to brighten underneath my eyebrows. And with this that will normally naturally be highlighted. These are going to brush as well for that. You're going to go in really well.
Is she perfect?
I think sometimes you're watching the Grammys, so like I was getting really into it. It's like you're looking away. That's me blending it in. Like Ghost right now. It's pretty weak at first. But you're gonna see it's gonna look good once I'm done. Because now it's time to set my face with a setting powder. Medium deep from ColourPop. So setting my face, I look like a ghost a little bit still. But it's gonna be okay. I'm gonna clean it up. It's gonna look better once we set it all at the end. Yup. Oh yeah, that's me watching because I'm still like into it. I'm trying to get this done. Gotta make sure you get all like into your hairline and stuff, so it all looks like it's naturally your face.
So I just
okay.
Now
we need to make some blush. Blush. I need to make it look like my face has some depth to it. That's Cranberry Bowl by Mary Kay. One of my faves. Love Yellow as fuck, and I can't get over it. Sorry, guys. Yeah, this is me realizing I look like yellow as fuck. And yeah, we're gonna put our blush on with our blush brush. Mixing from the apple out. fall if you need to make sure you know where your apples are. Apple out, apple out. Apple out. Apple out. Apple out. Now I look nice and flush, and I'm gonna use my Beauty Bakerie Rasperry Tiramisu Lip Whip to get these lips prepped and ready to do some kissing, cause this lip whip does not come off during makeout sessions, I know, cause I definitely wore one of these colors during a makeout session and did not come off at all. I was actually really impressed. One thing that it didn't like is like the greasy food would get it off, but live actually didn't make it down off so well. Again, it's impressive formula from Beauty Bakerie there. Hashtag BlackExcellence. So now that we've got our lips done, we're gonna add some highlight. Personally, I could do that last just because I like to make sure I get the faces, like parts of my face that would actually naturally be highlighted in any situation. So I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty Golden Sands highlight in Tahiti. Using my highlighter brush, getting underneath my eyes and around that corner there, make it look like natural as I can. I like that area to really pop. This bow, of course, I like my lips, and I love this look. Now it's time to set my face with my NYX setting spray. Love NYX, but that's very cheap. I'm very poor, so it works for me. I'm setting it. I hate that it's me, but setting it. Now we're done.
So this is the final look. I don't know what to do with my hair. I think that it looks fine. I'll put in the real after. I'll keep it. Thank you for watching.